You'll find the main switch of your GARDENA robotic lawnmower on the underside. Here you will also find the cutting disc with its 3 precision blades. The mower has a large stop switch, which also opens the cover of the control panel. The menu of the control panel is where you can choose all the settings. You can use this knob to adjust the cutting height between 2 and 6 centimeters. For the safety of people and animals, the mower is equipped with sensors which react to lifting, tilting, and collision. The mower also features an anti-theft alarm.